Assalamualaikum friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video friends, I will share your beautiful crochet table runners design ideas. So friends, I hope you enjoy my videos, so please subscribe to my YouTube channel, press the bell icon for more latest updates friends. So let's start to the video. So for your first idea is weavers. Today we are creating a lovely crochet table runner. Simple, start slow stitches and a beautiful result. We start with a long chain. This will decide the length of our runner. Now we walk row by row. Each stitch adds beauty and shape. Keep your hand relaxed and your stitch is soft. You will see the runner, see the pattern slowly coming to life. Straight lines, neat edges, elegant design. You can choose soft colors for a clean look or bright color for a happy style. Crochet is not just making something; it is feeling every moment. Now we finish with a border, a small details that make a big difference. And here it is, a handmade beauty table runner made with love and fantasy. And weavers. Do you want to make something beautiful for your table? So let's start creating a crochet table runner together. This pattern is easy and perfect for all skill level. You can only need yarn, a hook and a little time. And start with the foundation chain, make it as long as your table. Now begin your row. Use simple stitches and keep your work neat. Don't worry if you make a mistake, just fix it and count. Practice make you better every day. You can make this runner in one color or try different color for a unique design. And weavers. Or try different color for a unique design. Now let's add a border. This will give a clean and finished look. And done. Your crochet table runner is very, it looks amazing. Try at home and share your work with me. And here is the final look, simple, elegant and handmade with love. Save this idea and try it today. Viewers, so I hope you enjoy my videos, so please subscribe to my YouTube channel, press the bell icon for more latest updates viewers. So friends, see you in friends.